Hello everyone, in today's video I will be going over how to tie a self-tie bow tie, also known as a tie-it-yourself bow tie or freestyle bow tie. The bow tie that I'm wearing in the video has an adjustable neck strap. The adjustable neck strap allows you to select the appropriate neck size so that the bow tie has the right length and size to fit for your neck. This should be done before trying to tie the bow tie. First, pull one side of the bow tie a few inches lower than the other side. Taking the longer side, pull it over and across the shorter side, forming an X. Then, taking the longer side, pull it under and through the newly formed neck hole. Then pull on both sides so that it feels snug and tight around the neck. You can leave the longer side over your shoulder. Then take the shorter side, pull it up, and form what looks like the front of a bow tie. Hold the front of the bow tie firmly with one hand, and with the other hand, take the long side of the bow tie that is resting on the shoulder and pull it over the front of the bow tie so that it is hanging beneath it. Then take the left and right side of the front side of the bow tie, pull them together and forward so that there is a loop that has formed behind the front of the bow tie. Now take the hanging side of the bow tie, which is beneath the front of the bow tie, and pull it up, forming what looks like a bow tie in a vertical position. And then push and pull it through the loop, which is behind the front of the bow tie. This is probably the hardest part of tying a bow tie, so you may need to practice it a few times. If it doesn't turn out the way that you want it to, you can always start over again. There are now two ends on each side of the bow tie. One end on each side has a loop. Pulling on the looped ends on the front of the bow tie will tighten the knot in the middle of the bow tie. You can also move the knot in the middle of the front of the bow tie to the left or the right, and you can adjust the bow tie as you would like so that it looks the way that you would like it to look. Once you have adjusted and formed the bow tie into a shape that you like, the next step is to pull the collar down so that it covers the neck strap of the bow tie, and the collar should sit behind the front of the bow tie. We have now finished all the steps to tie a bow tie.